Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.